The number of coronavirus cases in Armenia has reached 84. According to the country's health ministry, Armenia has already tested 813 people for coronavirus. In the meantime, Prime Minister Nikol Pashinyan noted on Wednesday that 444 people were quarantined in Armenia, and we have urged 799 people to self-quarantine. By the way, 500 people working at a sewing company self-quarantined after one of the workers tested positive for coronavirus, epidemiologist of the health ministry Lusine Paronyan said on Tuesday. All people who are in contact with the patients with coronavirus are either in Tsakhkadzor or in Dilijan, she added. A patient has died in Yerevan who was diagnosed with pulmonary edema, double pneumonia, and respiratory insufficiency, Armenian Health Ministry's spokesperson Alina Nigolosyan wrote on Facebook. According to her, the patient had tested negative for coronavirus. As the Prime Minister noted in his turn, the patient was 49 years old, and given the current situation, it is necessary to state that the death of the person has nothing to do with coronavirus. Meanwhile, the ARTSAKH Health Ministry informs that no case of coronavirus has been reported so far in the Republic. Test samples were taken from 13 ARTSAKH citizens, and all the results were negative. By the way, over 200,000 coronavirus cases have been reported globally as of Wednesday, and the death toll is over 8,000. The lawyer of Armenian second president Robert Kocharyan, Aram Orbelyan, has filed a lawsuit against Prime Minister Nikol Pashinyan. Tsakhkadzor, director of the Concerned Dialogue CJSC, said that the reason was the unverified statements made by Pashinyan at a meeting of the Yes campaign in Kajaran against the company's senior partner, lawyer Aram Orbelyan. According to Pashinyan, the lawyer allegedly was in the Constitutional Court several times when the CC was considering the case on March 1st. Aram Orbelyan has petitioned to the court with a request to refute the statement and to compensate for moral damage. World-renowned musician and composer SERJ TANKIAN has called out New Zealand Foreign Minister Winston Peters' reported appeasement of the nihilist Turkey. The Foreign Minister, who also serves as the country's Deputy Prime Minister, released a letter to MPs reiterating New Zealand's position on the Armenian genocide, which was defining it as a tragedy rather than genocide. There are dances around the word genocide because Turkey does not want nations to use that word, TANKIAN had earlier told New Zealand's News Hub.